Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are in another place where we like say, I'll still give you an update. Wanna see how some things still they happen. You know, say one thing where we will understand, more especially with the Nigerians, is that we dey complain say our government not good. Say many things they happen. At the same time, we when be the citizens, when be like say we fit escape out from this government, come down to Italy, come down to other places. We not still want use our brain, we not still want collaborate, we not still want make place where we like say we come meet them, more follow their law, more do things as it's supposed to be. You go to see say e get some people be like say they go still they go against the law, they do different kind of things. You understand? Now give an article, wanna see wetin Luciano Lamorgese don't bring out about Nigerians when be like say they for the Italian side. Because this record, once upon a time, I reported it again, where this same lady come bring out record about Nigerians who are living in Italy. But sometimes, I dey wonder whether Nigeria as a country, whether na Zoom we go call them, we not just know. I give you the updates now, so wanna see how it dey happen in article. Wetin Lamorgese the state. Listen to the headlining. He said, anti-mafia operations in Bari and L'Aquila, Lamorgese, an intense investigative work to fight old and new mafians. Alright, listen to this particular part. He said here, 99 people arrested in Bari and 30 in L'Aquila at the end of the investigations by the state police and Arma del Carabinieri. Alright, listen to this major article where and I want you guys to understand. He said here, I express satisfaction for the anti-mafian operations this morning in Bari and L'Aquila, which represents the excellent result of the intense and constant investigative work carried out with the coordination of the judicial authorities. Listen, he said, by our police and forces, the compliance of the Minister Lamorgese following the operation carried out by the state police and the Carabinieri in the Amplia capital against the affiliates of the Mestraquillo claim and by the state police in the Abruzzo capital against the Nigerian mafians. So guys, all these things now something will be like say, e not good. Sometimes people don't want to hear all these things. But it is too much where be like say, every time this name Nigeria must dey for news, different things they happen for that country. We dey run come out for the country where for the come based on say the government not good. If we still reach the Italian side now, or if we still reach the place where we like say we move to, we not go still perform well. May we give good quality to these people, may they for still even accept us. Our government does spoil finish. Then we the citizens, we not still want to use our hand to repair ourselves. Most people, this thing not be saying that everybody. Now most people they do all these things. Now I go a little bit forward on this article because we need to know all these things. Sometimes we need to know all these things. Since it be say they publish all these things for Italian website, so you ain't like saying that you be the Nigerian person, you need to know what they talk about your own country, how things they happen. You understand? And listen to this part. He said here, in L'Aquila, on the other hand, the state police with the help of the Central Operational Service of the mobile team of Roma, Rieti, Bari, Caserta, Napoli, Reggio Emilia, Parma, Modena, Catania, and other places mentioned here, Potenza, Terno, has completed the operation called Hello Bros, carrying out 30 precautionary measures in prison against as many Nigerian citizens residing in Italy. So all these cities where they mention here, now cities where be like say they don't arrest most of our citizens in these cities. All these things now record. Where be like say Lamorgese, they bring come out for your own website. And the Italian people, they are seeing all these things. So we when be Nigeria, we need to still listen to all these things so that we go still take careful. Those people be like say they give us bad name. You guys should take careful because it is very bad to be in a country whereby a set of people will give bad name to the good ones where be like say they for the country. More go a little bit forward because I have to react on this particular update that was being brought out on this website of Lamorgese. Alright, listen to this place. He said, those arrested are believed to be members of the Nigerian Mafian organization aimed at committing numerous crimes, including drug trafficking, illegal immigration, exploitation of prostitution, romantic scam, computer scam, and money laundering, including through the sale of Bitcoin, for a total of nearly 1,000 counts. So guys, all these things na something we like say, normally we go feel say na guy man, they say guy man. But guy man, at the end of the day, these people will give us bad name for the country. And then what did they pay me pass for this issue be say, not be everybody dey like this. And Italy no don't understand this fact, say not all people are bad. All they think is that once they record and see all these things when they happen, if they see you as that particular citizen now, so they go feel say yes, now so all of them they be. And then which is not like that. Guys, it's high time we have to use our brain. If we dey run out of Nigeria, say it's not good to stay, we dey come this side, they seek for asylum, make Italy for accept the person made it for the country. At the same time, you not live well, made them for accept you. Tell me how they go take accept that kind of person. This is a reaction video. All those people like say that they do this bad, made them forget and for ESA. It is very bad of them giving out bad name to good Nigerians. Last paragraph, and then we summarize this video. This thing he said here, these are two operations, said the head of the Interior Ministry, which demonstrates the strong presence of the state and the ability of the judiciary and police forces to fight old and new mafias that try to broaden their range of criminal action and expand with a capillary control of the territories, also by resorting the extortion. So guys, many things they will be like say it not make sense when they happen for this Italy will be like say we did. So if you be Nigerian be like say they watch me, I beg, may we still they try our best, they do well. Not be only we did this country whether they call Italy, will be like say every time for Italian news or for Italian math, you must to the hear say Nigerians that they call their name, which is very, very bad. So guys, I beg, anywhere where you dey may still try to put your effort to avoid anything when go cause wahala. Stay away from problem. May we stay away from problem. I beg, my people. Is it? That one a record where be like say, Lamorgese don't go put for her website, all these things. Italy people they see her, all these things they happen. Now make you see say, anywhere where you go, if you go do one or two things, if they just see that name for that place, you go be like say get as things they happen. Guys, it is very bad. We know say we plenty, but may we still use our common sense, may we still use our brain. More know that they one place, some people go to destroy the name of others. It is very bad. If you see this video, may try to share an out so that all those bad people like say they go to destroy the name of the good Nigerians when they for this country, may they for they see the disgrace where they like say that they put. Because now, Italy they see all this people like say they post. If tomorrow you go look for work, they tell you say, vieni domani, vieni dopo domani, you go the verse. You don't go know the reason why. Say you don't get some bad people like say they don't go spoil that particular place where you go look for work, where they don't put into record. This country na place where you like say anything where you they do, they record everything. So guys, I beg, may we try to kind of like put in our best. We have other nationalities where we like say that they live for this country. We know they hear all these things when they happen, but why it be like say most times it will be like say we they always they carry the front. It don't make sense. If you condemn this video, you condemn it. I know so many people they be like say they go dislike the video, but I don't care. The truth has to be said, and it has already been stated. If the Italian government and the authorities bring out updates about our nation or our country, who are we not to listen to it and then hear what they are saying? So guys, I beg, if you like this video. If you like, you dislike the video. The truth have been said, and it will be continue to be said forever. So that is it. If you never subscribe to this platform, may try to subscribe. Here we try to cover updates as much as possible we can to let you know what it like say it happen for the Italian side and the nation and the world wide as a whole. Ciao, till next time again, we'll be together. Respect.